Hello! So today we're going to be taking a look at NeoCell. This is a collagen supplement that I have been taking that I actually really like. It is collagen plus C. So it's a collagen plus vitamin C, and I absolutely love the fact that this does have vitamin C included, because without it, if you are going to be taking a collagen supplement, it is recommended to take vitamin C. It's just simply because it is essential for, the essential nutrient for collagen to actually form. So you definitely want to make sure that there is a vitamin C with that. Pretty much the whole purpose of collagen is to repair connective tissues for improved elasticity, improved circulation, and this actually helps with not only firmness and hydration, but also wound healing because of the vitamin C. So it's been in my makeup bag. As you can see, it's got a little black on it. That's makeup. You can take this anywhere with you. It's not too big at all. I will say though that the pills are a little bit bigger. So I would say that maybe one of the cons, if you're not a person that can take a bigger pill, I would definitely suggest to go ahead and cut it in half, because you do need to take quite a few pills for this to actually work and to see improvements in your skin. So I will say, as far as collagen, we'll go ahead and explain what that is. Collagen is a protein. So in fact, it's one of the most abundant proteins in our body, and the second most abundant molecule besides water. So collagen is a building block for many parts of the bodies, including skin, bones, tendons. It can be found in our hair, our nails, as you can see, our joints, our bones, eyelashes, also teeth, even stomach lining. So as you can see, collagen is super important. I will say, as you can see, there are 6 pills that do need to be taken, and the pills are kind of big. I will go ahead and I'll show you what those look like as well. But aside from that, I really wanted to try this because as I was losing weight, I was really trying not to have like loose or sagging skin. I was losing quite a bit of weight, so I definitely wanted to make sure that my skin was still going to pretty much be intact, as much as possible, because, our bodies actually naturally do produce collagen. But what happens is in our 20s, it's actually pretty hard to get enough collagen, just simply because of, our dietary needs and the things that we eat and the things that are made out here. So, you have to really be cooking your own food and eating a lot of protein to get a lot of collagen that you're looking for. And a lot of times it's really hard. So that's why a lot of times we do look elsewhere. We do look into. So I really love the fact that the NeoCell does include type 1 and type 3. Type 1 can be found pretty much all over the body, excluding cutaneous tissue. And that's the collagen that we kind of previously mentioned before that actually makes up 70% of the body. So type 1 does make up 70% of the body, and it is key to actually replenishing the skin and consequently helping the reversing signs of aging. So, it's great for hydration and firmness, and as well as decreased wrinkles. That would be for type 1. Now for type 3, collagen can be found in our artery walls as well as hollow organs. So that typically is why they do put the 1 and the 3 together, because they are actually very similar when it comes to putting them together in supplements compared to the other 40 collagens that are in our body as well. So marine collagen consists of type 1 collagen only. Marine collagen comes from fish and has the smallest particle size and the lowest molecular weight of any other collagen. So that means that it's even easier to be accessed through the bloodstream, and it actually has better effectiveness simply because it's being absorbed. I think it's 1.5 to 2 times more than any other collagens. The marine collagen is known actually for the anti-aging benefits, including like the decreasing of wrinkles and reducing the appearance of scars. So that's why, like again, I said they do pair them together, the type 1 and 3, because they are the most similar and they do work together best. Okay, so I did say I wanted to show you what the pills look like. And this is them here. So as you can see, they're kind of big, just a little bit. And you do want to take 6 a day. So 6 tablets. Pretty much what I do is I take 3 in the morning. I do believe that they said to take them on an empty stomach. I would definitely double check the instructions, but I do take them on an empty stomach. I can take 3 in the morning, and about the biggest gap in between me eating where my stomach is closest to being empty toward the end of the day, I will take another 3 so that I have a total of 6 of these. So as far as results, I can definitely say that I was completely and utterly shocked to find out that this really, really works. I started taking it about 6.5 to 7 months ago. This is about my sixth bottle. I can say that my hair grew almost about 5 inches. I noticed that my skin is brighter. I don't know if that like makes sense, but I just feel like it looks brighter. I guess maybe more hydrated. I can definitely say that I've lost over 70 pounds and I don't have any sagging skin. I have some here and there that's like a tiny little bit loose, but you would never know that I've lost, over 70 pounds. And I really do think that it is due to this super collagen that I am taking. And I definitely think if you're anyone that is just looking for something that's a little bit more natural, that you do want to take as far as not doing like fillers or Botox or anything of that sort, this is a really good product to go ahead and try. I saw results about, about 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. I started noticing that my skin looked a little brighter. At first I started getting kind of discouraged within the first week because I was like, okay, I have to take 6 of these pills and I don't see anything happening. But if you just give it time, you will notice that your skin is going to feel more hydrated. Your hair is really going to grow. I also started that my nails started to grow faster and they were actually firmer. Also with the vitamin C is actually really good for like healing and things of that sort. So let's just say, I don't know, you have a surgery or something like that. Vitamin C also does help with wound healing and improve circulation. So it's really good. I would even say for after surgery, of course, consult with your physician or surgeon and things of that sort. But this is my thoughts on the NeoCell Super Collagen C. And I think if you're anyone that is losing weight, in the process of losing weight, going through a procedure, or just wanting to stay looking hydrated and young, this is definitely something that I would try. Thanks so much, and we'll see you later.